Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Beetles Gel Nail Polish is probably one of the most sought-after gel polish brands on the market, known for its vibrant colors, long-lasting wear, and salon-quality finish, making it a top choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professional nail technicians alike who are looking for a reliable and impressive gel polish that delivers stunning results every time. Number 5. Beetles 15 ml No Wipe Gel Top and Base Coat Set. Discover the perfect foundation and finish for your manicure. This set provides a flawless base and a brilliant shine that lasts. Achieve a smooth, even base with our no-wipe formula. It prepares your nails perfectly for color application and ensures a chip-free finish. Enjoy a manicure that stays looking fresh for weeks. Its durable formula resists chipping and fading, keeping your nails beautiful. When it's time for a change, removal is a breeze. Our gel formula soaks off easily without damaging your natural nails. Get salon-quality results right in your own home. This duo is essential for creating stunning nail art designs that truly stand out. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This gel top and base coat set is ideal for any woman who loves to express herself through her nails. What we like? This duo set offers a no-wipe top coat for instant shine and a base coat for a strong foundation. It's designed for long-lasting wear and easy removal. If you're looking for a simple, reliable way to achieve a professional salon finish at home, this is a great choice. What people say. The base goes on smooth and levels nicely, and the top coat gives a really glossy finish without that sticky layer. It cured evenly under my LED lamp and didn't wrinkle or bubble. This no-wipe top coat is so nice to use. It wasn't sticky at all and cured just fine, plus it is super glossy. The shine is next level, that glassy, ultra-smooth finish you usually only get at a salon. It cures perfectly with no tacky layer, no bubbling, and no weird shrinking at the edges. Number 4. MODELONES 15 ml Nail Dehydrator and Primer Kit. Achieve a flawless manicure with our essential nail prep kit. It effectively dehydrates and primes your natural nails, ensuring a clean canvas for your polish. Our formula is gentle on your nails, being both acid-free and HEMA-free. Enjoy a safer application without compromising on performance or adhesion. Experience superior bonding that extends the life of your manicure. This primer ensures your base coat and polish stay put for longer wear. This kit is designed for natural nail preparation, removing oils and moisture. It creates the perfect surface for any nail enhancement or polish. Get salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. It's the perfect addition to your acrylic nail supplies for a professional finish. Start your nail art journey with a reliable foundation. This dehydrator and primer kit ensures your designs adhere beautifully and last. What we like? This kit focuses on natural nail preparation with its acid-free and HEMA-free formula. It ensures a strong bond without damaging your natural nails. If you have sensitive nails or are concerned about harsh chemicals, this primer and dehydrator combo is ideal for a healthier manicure. What people say. The dehydrator works instantly. It leaves the nails super dry within seconds, which helps the gel stick way better. Since I started using this set, my gel manicures last noticeably longer with no lifting at the tips. The dehydrator removes oils effortlessly, leaving the nail surface perfectly prepped without drying out the skin. The primer applies smoothly and creates a strong bond that helps the gel X tips adhere securely and last much longer without lifting. Number 3. Beetles Gel Polish Set. Discover a stunning collection of gel nail polishes. This set brings you a curated selection of beautiful colors for your next manicure. Unleash your creativity with 6 gorgeous shades. From dazzling glitters to chic nudes, there's a color for every mood and occasion. Explore a versatile palette featuring shimmering glitters, elegant nudes, vibrant corals, refreshing greens, and serene light blues. Achieve salon-quality looks with ease. Enjoy a professional-grade soak-off UV gel formula. It provides long-lasting wear and a flawless finish that cures beautifully under a UV lamp. Embrace the charm of the Southern Belle collection. These shades are inspired by timeless elegance and sophisticated style. Transform your nails into works of art. With this kit, you can achieve professional, salon-perfect results right at home. What we like? This set features a beautiful collection of glitter and nude shades for a sophisticated look. The gel polish is easy to apply and remove with the soak-off method. If you love versatile colors that can be dressed up or down for any occasion, this kit is perfect for creating chic nail art. What people say. It goes on smoothly and has a crystal-like finish. All of the swatches in the photos had 2 coats, which didn't surprise me for the darker colors, but even the yellow was perfect after only 2. The colors are jewel-like even with a single coat and only a clear base. Number 2. Saviland French Tip Nail Art Stamper Kit. Achieve perfect French manicures with ease. This kit is designed for both long and short nails, making salon-quality results achievable at home. The clear silicone head allows for precise placement every time. You can see exactly where you're stamping, ensuring flawless designs. Whether you prefer long, elegant nails or a shorter, chic look, this tool adapts to your style. It's perfect for creating beautiful French tips regardless of nail length. Bring the salon experience to your home with this easy-to-use nail art stamper. Create professional-looking manicures yourself, saving time and money. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to get started with French manicures. It's your all-in-one solution for beautiful nail art. Crafted for durability and ease of use, this stamper is a reliable addition to your nail art collection. Enjoy consistent, beautiful results with every use. What we like. This kit provides a clear silicone stamper and scrapers, perfect for creating precise French tips. It makes intricate nail art accessible for DIY enthusiasts. If you're aiming for clean, sharp French manicures or other detailed designs with ease, this stamping kit will be your new best friend. What people say. Super easy to use and clean. It is great quality. The quality of the sponges is great and the wooden holder is easy to grip and comfortable to hold without straining your hands or wrist. It works amazing. It cleans very well and it does the job as it should. The rubber bounces back very well and it does not break easily. Number 1. Beetles Gel Nail Polish Kit. Discover the magic of our cat-eye gel nail polish. This stunning collection brings a galaxy of color right to your fingertips. Experience the unique velvet texture and captivating cat eye effect. It's like holding a piece of the galaxy in your hands. Explore a spectrum of 6 dazzling colors, from shimmering silver and pink to deep blue and red. Each shade offers a romantic, starry finish. Achieve professional-looking French nail art with ease. Our soak-off formula ensures a smooth application and simple removal process. Surprise the special women in your life with this exquisite gift set. It's the ultimate treat for any nail art enthusiast. Elevate your nail game with this romantic galaxy series. Get ready to shine with Beetles. What we like. Experience the mesmerizing cat eye effect with these magnetic gel polishes. The set includes a variety of glittery shades with a unique velvet finish. If you want to add a touch of magic and depth to your nails with a stunning, eye-catching look, this collection is perfect for creating a romantic galaxy vibe. What people say. Amazing quality. Wife says the colors are beautiful and polish is nice and thick, requiring only 1 or 2 coats max. The magnet is very strong, making the designs easier to create. I've been using Beetles for almost 5 years now, and do my nails apex once every 4 to 5 weeks. In 5 years I've had just 3 broken nails, and I'm not exactly sedentary. They survive swimming, gym, a lot of stress from typing, and housework without marigolds. After 3 weeks the polish is a little annoying, as it snags around where the cuticle area once was, but it never peels, rips, breaks, anything. The results aren't bad. I think it was easy to do, the magnet is excellent, just requires practice from my side. Shown is the pink magnetic with 3 layers. I really like the gold sparkles which reveal when the silver magnetic sparkles are drawn away. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.